Hi, I'm Mike Hine, Martin Implement, and this is Kubota's SVL family. They have 3 compact track loaders, the SVL 95, the SVL 75, and the SVL 65. The SVL 95 is a 96 gross horsepower, the SVL 75 is 74 gross horsepower, and the SVL 65 is 68 gross horsepower. All 3 engines are Kubota turbocharged Tier 4 diesel engines. The rated capacities on each machine at 50%. Tipping load on the SVL 65 is 3,000 pounds. The capacity on the SVL 75 is 3,200 pounds. And the capacity on the SVL 95 is 4,500 pounds. The bucket hinge pin height on the SVL 65 is 118 inches. The hinge pin height on the SVL 75 is 119 inches. And the hinge pin height on the SVL 95 is 128 inches. All the Kubota SVL track loaders with a cab come standard with air conditioning and hydraulic coupler. You can get high flow hydraulics on any 3 of these machines. The bucket breakout force on the SVL 65 is roughly 4,600 pounds. The bucket breakout force on the SVL 75 is roughly 6,200 pounds. And the bucket breakout force on the SVL 95 is roughly 7,900 pounds. All 3 track designs have an open undercarriage here so that dirt material can fall out. All the tracks have a ground pressure between 5 and 6 psi. The SVL 65 weighs roughly 8,500 pounds. The SVL 75 weighs roughly 9,300 pounds. And the SVL 95 weighs about 11,500 pounds. All the Kubota SVL track loaders have triple flange track rollers with an open design to let dirt material fall out. The main frame of the undercarriage in the track design is integrated and welded to the frame of the machine for more durability. This is the cab of the SVL 65. The gauge cluster I have fuel gauge, temperature gauge, hour meter, air cleaner restriction light, a dial throttle. I also have a foot pedal throttle, pilot controls, my hydraulic parking brake button. On the left I've got my air conditioning controls, heater controls, windshield wiper, hydraulic automatic coupler. This is the interior of the SVL 75. All the SVLs with a cab have a really nice roll-up door. It rolls up above your head and up out of the way. You can lock the door. All Kubotas with a cab are equipped with air conditioning and a hydraulic coupler. To uncouple the coupler, you just push unlock, and it'll move these 2 orange pins, and then you can roll out of your bucket. There's plenty of room for my feet. The seat is a suspension seat, fully adjustable. Sliding glass windows. Great visibility in the back. This is the interior of the SVL 95. As you can see, you've got great visibility. See both corners of my bucket. On the gauge cluster, I have a depth monitor, fuel gauge monitor, temperature hour meter, air cleaner clog indication light, some diagnostic buttons, dial throttle. On my right control stick I have my auxiliary function and extra hydraulic functions. This control stick controls the boom and bucket of the machine. On my left control stick, I have my horn, rabbit, turtle speed button, which is this trigger underneath here, as well as the track function. The SVL series is very easy to maintain. Simply open the rear bonnet to access all the components for daily routine inspections. The radiator can be tilted for easy cleaning. The slide and tilt radiator and oil cooler can be tilted out for easy cleaning. DEF fluid is easy to refill and has easy access. The cab can be tilted 72 degrees without having to lift the arm, allowing for easy access to the hydraulic pumps, valves, lines, and hydraulic tank.